Sinasabi ko lamang po, ang
Hindi,
sinasabi
Madam
ko lang,
President,
kanina ko po sinasabi.
Hindi po tama yun.
Section
Sasabihin yung
136.
kasama niya
Pwede po
ay
ba?
walang
Session is
kinalaman,
suspended.
Pwede po
walang
bang
alam sa
pagbigyan
bata.
I remember that time now,
Galing.
and the word noted was said to me. That will not happen now. I will not do that to you.
Point of order,
Yes.
President.
First of all, I hope we learned our lesson. Senator Pangilinan already apologized to Senator Padilla. Then now you're shouting at us.
Yes. Issue na bayan ating pagsapan. What's up mga kayonin? Welcome back pa rin syempre dito lang sa Jomalone TV para sa Issue na bayan ating pagsapan.
Di kami natatakot sa katotohanan.
Kaya naman isang magandang umaga, hapon, gabi sa inyo lahat.
Jomalone TV, issue ng bayan, ating pag-usapan. Tunay na balita, walang kinakampihan.
Isang mega love shoutout sa lahat ng viewers natin dyan. Pasok na mga suki ha.
Mamamayan. Totoo ang laban, hindi puro drama, di rin chismisan. Lahat ng tanong may klarong kasagutan. Kasama ka rito sa diskusyon, boses mo may halaga sa solusyon. Laging alerto, mapagmatsyag, truth ang hanap, di kami natitinag.
Pasok na mga suki, mega love shoutout sa lahat ng viewers natin dyan. OFW ka man o dito sa Pilipinas ay May 27, araw ng Miyerkules.
Issue ng bayan, ating pag-usapan.
Ang dahilan ng walkout, panoorin natin at bigyan natin ng reaction ngayon.
Sumasalamin sa katotohanan lang.
Dito nyo makikita, mga halata, kung gaano ka-desperado itong mga minority block.
Ang laban, walang kulay, walang kampi. Balita, talakayan, katotohanan. Para sa bayan.
Alright, mega love shoutout sa lahat ng viewers natin dyan, OFW ka man o dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik at pagkikinig dito sa Jomalone TV para sa issue na yan. Paki-double check naman kung nakasubscribe na kayo. Kung hindi pa naman, paki-subscribe, paki-like and share ito yung video natin para sa algorithm natin na ipapakita natin at ipaparealize natin sa inyo kung ano yung nangyari kahapon at kung bakit sila nag-walk out. Simpleng-simple lang, pagka hindi na kaya, walk out. Pag hindi makakasa sa debate, walk out. Pinag-usapan na nila yan eh. Siyempre nga naman, dramatic exit ang datingan, di ba? Mahalata mo talaga kung sino yung may interest eh. Mamaya ipapaliwanag natin, ha? Sa description box natin, merong mga channel dyan na backup natin. Pagka gusto mo ng food vlog na mismo yung pagkain sa Pilipinas, punta ka sa tito ng ina mo. Nandiyan yung link. Pagka gusto mo yung mga travel, yung light and easy lang, syempre andyan yung Jomalone Work Travel. At kung gusto mo ng kwentoterong titi, tito. Kwentoterong tito, andyan yung link. Okay, game. Panatan na natin to. Baka matira pa ng iba to. Okay, game. Ang sabi ni Erwin, they in a hurry because probably 2 of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend. Ang sabi naman ni Jinggoy, sigurado ba siya? Meron ba siyang contact sa taas o sa korte? Sino nasunog ngayon, Erwin? Alam na alam mo kaagad eh, di ba? Okay, ganito. Si Joel Villanueva yan eh, saka si Jinggoy eh. May kaso na yan eh. Kinakasuhan na yan, plunder din ata eh. Pati si Marcoleta. Ano sabi ni Regal Oliva, di ba, yung observation niya? Bakit? It's very ironic. Ano mo to, coincidence lang? Na kung kailan gumagana na yung impeachment, ay nakakasuhan bigla yung karamihan sa majority. Puta, hindi naman tayo bata. Ano yan? Coincidence lang? Puta naman buhay ito. Ito yung ipapanood ko sa inyo kung paano hinugot ni Senator Loren Legarda. 22 years apart yung hugot niya kay Kiko Pangilinan. At kung paano nagdadak-dak-dak tong si Erwin para hindi sila makapagdebatehan dahil baka wala silang maibala sa mga majority. Kaya ayun, nag-walk out na lang. Ang galing eh. Tapos, syempre, kailangan may maiwan na isa, which is si Senator Tito Soto. Para siya yung magsasabi ng adjourn. Kaya napaaga yung adjournment nila. Kasi dapat alas 5 pa mag-a-adjourn. Eh, planado na nila eh. Di ba? Ayaw nilang makipagdebate. Tama naman si Senator Peter Cayetano. Kung merong hindi mapag-uunawaan, hindi debatehan, dapat botohan. Eh, hindi kayo magkaintindi. Tapos, ayun, nagtataas na naman ng boses ito si Kiko. Ate Shena, matigas na yung saging ka. Maganda, panoorin natin. O, tingnan nyo to. Solid block. Senator Kiko Pangilinan posted, blah, blah, blah. Tingnan mo naman yung nagha-reaction. Wala pang 1 minuto, libo-libo na yung nag-react sa inyo. Di ba? Tingnan nyo yung lineup nyo. Diyos ko, santisimo. Wala man lang malakas. Mga mahihinang nila lang eh, no? Panoorin na natin yung debate, yung nagkagulo at kung paano nag-init yung Senado. Puro suspension nangyari, pero ganun pa man, tinuloy at tuloy pa rin nila. At syempre, nagkakainitan na eh. Di ba? Panoorin natin, ha?
Yes, Senate
Yes,
President
Madam Chair.
Cayetano.
First of all, we're just repeating the arguments. I respect his argument, but I disagree with it. Secondly, they've used already 3 words: ram down their throat, railroaded, binabraso. In this democratic institution, when we disagree, we vote.
Yes.
When we have rules, we follow the rules.
Oo, syempre.
The particular rule in amending the rules is 136. We're following that. So why are we using unparliamentary language to express or try to provoke the kind of argument we don't want between the majority and minority? You have your opinion, we respect that, we have our opinion. So how do
Tama
we
naman.
resolve that?
Yes.
By voting.
Yes.
Now, if you think we violated the rule, then go to court. But we do not think that we violated the rule. It is very clear. So my point of order, Madam Chair, they're out of order by insisting that there's another rule except for 136. So I move that we vote on it, Madam Chair. We divide the House.
Objection.
Ayaw nila eh.
Objection.
If there's an objection, then we vote. So may we proceed with the vote, Madam President?
Mr. President, I was earlier, it was the manifestation of the presiding officer, the Madam Chairperson, that after Senator Lacson, I be allowed to speak, Mr. President. Are we now curtailing my right to speak, Mr. President?
Madam Chair,
We are
can I
not able
answer
to
that?
ask questions as to why we are amending the rules. We are not able to ask questions as to who they wish,
Madam Chair, may I answer?
who will benefit from the amendment to the rules.
For the
Is this
kind
rule, Mr.
information
President?
of
Is
the-
this rule, Mr. President, for
I was
Senator
about to
Bato, who is not
recognize
here?
Senator
We would
Pangilinan.
like to raise these valid questions, Mr. President, before we go into a vote.
Diba? Nagtataas ng boses. So, ugali talaga niya eh. Di ba?
Madam Chair.
Yes.
These,
Just-
we should not be...
How can the presiding officer recognize Senator Pangilinan? Please know that I would never curtail your right to speak.
Barado ka.
Just as in 2004, I believe you were seated. And I was a vice presidential candidate of FPJ then. And my microphone was closed. And my right to speak was closed. Was not given. I remember that time now.
Galing.
And the word noted was said to me. That will not happen now. I will not do that to you. And I'm not curtailing your right to speak, Senator Pangilinan, except that you were speaking at the same time. And I was about to recognize you because Senator Lacson had the floor.
Oh, barado ka. Nagmamadali ka kasi.
Thank you, Madam President, for
So
that
I just wanted to be clear on record because I
If-
recognize you're being emotional, but it will go on Senate record that
Yes.
the presiding officer was curtailing your right to speak. I would never do that. And I would not do what I experienced in 2004
Or-
in the House of Representatives in the canvassing of the votes then.
Mr. President.
Thank you.
Madam President, with due respect, Mr. President, I was
I'm
not
yielding-
referring to the
Madam
presiding
President,
officer.
I'm yielding the floor to Senator Pangilinan.
Yes, thank you,
you.
Senator Lacson. We recognize Senator Francis Pangilinan.
Yes, Mr. President, and allow me to clarify, Mr. President, Madam President. I was not referring to the presiding officer in terms of the curtailing of my right to speak and to raise questions, Mr. President, because it was the Senate President who was moving to divide the House, Mr. President, without sufficient debates. Mr.
Ayaw nyo
President,
nga
this is
eh.
the first time I'm going to experience this in a long time wherein debates are now being curtailed
Ayaw nyo nga.
because there's a
Since you're
motion
not
to
being
divide the House.
curtailed, we would like to hear your objection to the motion. Thank you.
There are a lot of questions that have to be raised as to why this amendment to the rules is being undertaken at this time. Precedent provides, Mr. President, that when we amend our rules, we do so by way of resolution. We do not have that resolution now. In fact, Mr. President, a total 48 amendments of our rules all went through resolutions. This is the first time after 48 amendments, Mr. President, that we do not have a resolution so that we can
Point
vote
of order, Madam Chair.
and amend the rules properly, Mr. President.
Point of order.
May sigaw ka na naman eh.
Point of order takes
Yes,
precedence.
Senate President. Point of order takes
Yes.
precedence.
First
over
of all,
everything else.
I hope we learned our lesson. Senator Pangilinan already apologized to Senator Padilla.
Padilla.
Then now you're shouting at us.
Yes.
No? No, the record will show. Nakatape naman eh. Ang taas-taas ng boses nyo eh.
Kaya nga di
Diba?
magkaintindihan eh.
You were shouting at kaya nga hindi magkarinigan.
Oo.
Now, what's my point of order? We are not discussing the merits yet of the amendment. No one's curtailing your rights because wala pa tayo dun eh. Ang pinagbobotohan natin ngayon, kung pwedeng i-take up sa floor o hindi. Yun ang itina-take up natin. And the arguments have already been laid out. And Senator Pangilinan and I were together in 2009 where we had debates here where Senator Enrile did not even allow amendments. And then we voted. It depends on every issue, Madam Chair. There's no specific rule of the amount of time. I was asking the gentleman about certain issues in one resolution. He refused nga for further interpellation and said it's time to vote. They were the majority. So, Madam Chair, we're here. We're willing. Senator Marcoleta is ready to take questions. Ang pinagbobotohan lang po natin ngayon, simple lang. Whether or not we can take, whether or not the proposal to amend the rules is in order. Yung pa lang ho.
Pag-uusapan.
Yung specific amendment,
Yes.
sino magbe-benefit, paano
Yes.
magbe-benefit, etc. We support the right of Senator Pangilinan to ask questions, pero wala pa tayo dun eh.
Yes.
So, again,
Di ba? Kung paano nila gusto ilihis, wala pa nga eh. Nagmamadali ka naman, Kiko. Nakahanda ka na kagad eh. Wala pa nga.
may I raise the previous question, Madam Chair? The point of order, the parliamentary reason. Go ahead.
Be given the right
Madam
to speak. I am the
President,
movant
kanina pa po
here.
ako nakatayo dito at
I need to
nagtataas ng
speak
kamay.
because I am the movant.
Senator
Madam
Redante
President.
Marcoleta.
Thank you, Madam
And then we
President.
hear Senator Risa Ontiveros.
Thank you, Madam
and Senator
President.
Problema
Erwin
natin,
Tulfo.
Madam President.
Yes,
The
proceed.
Senate President invoked Section 136, Paragraph 2. Kung babasahin po natin ito, Madam President, napakasimple lang. Ito pong Section 136, Paragraph 2, is a special provision in precisely amending our rules. In Section 24 po, this is a general rule. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, it presupposes that it will take up all the bills referred to that committee. General po yung function niya. 136, second paragraph, is a special provision. Sa principle po ng batas, yun pong special provision takes precedence over a general provision. Yun lang po, basahin po ninyo. Hindi nga po, it will not even take one day because this is not a new motion. Kung mapapansin nyo, ni-reiterate ko lang po ito eh. It was already moved last May 11 pa po. So that is even more than one day. So who is talking about one day here? Ang pinag-uusapan po natin, unless we respect Section 136, ang linaw-linaw po, it talks about the rules may also be amended. Diretso po ito eh. So this takes precedence over Section 24. Simpleng-simple lamang po ito eh.
Madam President.
Thank you, Senator Marcoleta. We recognize Senator Risa
Yan na.
Cordero.
Salamat, Madam President.
Si Kayo!
Meron din po akong substantive na interpellation sa motion ngayong araw na nire-raise o itatalakayin ni Senator Marcoleta yung text na pinamudmod ni Senate President sa atin ngayong hapon. Pero una, gusto ko pong segundahan yung sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Bagong motion ito, Madam President. Bakit po? Sa ilalim ng Section 24, ni-refer yung unang mosyong binanggit ni Senator Marcoleta noon sa Committee on Rules. Ngayon kung sasabihin na ibinalik yung mosyong iyon, yung unang mosyon ni Senator Marcoleta sa plenary, sino ang gumawa nun? Dapat ang Committee on Rules. Na-initiate na po ang prosesong iyon alinsunod sa Section 24. Hindi pa nga po nako-constitute ang Committee on Rules. Wala pa nga pong minority contingent sa Committee on Rules. So wala pang body na pwedeng ibalik yung unang mosyon ni Senator Marcoleta sa plenary. Kaya ko sinusugundahan ang sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Ito pong motion na gustong talakayin ni Senator Marcoleta at pinamudmod ni Senate President sa atin, bagong motion po siya. Kung kaya't nag-a-apply po ang Rule Section 136 na kailangan bigyan ng isang araw pa pagkatapos ito i-move para talakayin. And tama si Senator Pangilinan, sa Lunes pa po yun, Madam President. Salamat, Madam President.
Madam President, without giving meaning to anything, ito
Senator
pong
Marcoleta.
mahirap kasi kung wala po tayong
Yan. Nandiyan na pikon eh.
legal background dito. Sinasabi ko na nga po, hindi po bagong motion ito eh.
Oh, mapipikon dyan yung mga non-lawyers sa kabila.
Hindi siya bagong motion.
Ayun na, nagkakabulungan, no?
Nasasabi ko lang po, May 11, minub ko na po ito eh.
Madam
Sino po
President,
magsasabi na bagong motion?
point of order. Ad hominem.
Sinasabi ko lamang po, ang
Hindi,
sinasabi
Madam
ko lang,
President,
kanina ko po sinasabi.
Hindi po tama yun.
Section
Sasabihin yung
136.
kasama niya
Pwede po
ay
ba?
walang
Session is
kinalaman,
suspended.
Pwede po
walang
bang
alam sa
pagbigyan
batas.
Erbit, napikon eh, di ba? Pinagtatanggol si Senator Risa. Yan ang mahirap. Siyempre, magre-react yung mga walang alam sa sa batas, di ba? Yun na nga. O, nag-react na nga sila. Yan ang yan ang problema kasi sa sinasabi natin kanina doon sa previous na video natin. Nakaramihan dapat ang mga senators dapat lawyers. Pero walang problema. Kung dati kang artista ka, o artista ka ngayon, tumakbo ka, walang problema naman eh. Ang problema lang kasi dyan, dapat first hand, alam mo na kagad kung ano yung pinagkakaguluhan, kung ano yung batas. Hindi yung tatanong mo pa sa staff mo, kung ano nangyari. Diba? Yun na nangyari ngayon. Diba?
Presumed.
Madam Chair. Yes,
Senator Cayetano.
Kagulo eh.
I'm listening to the two senators, and as I mentioned kanina na wag na tayong gumamit ng brasuhan, etc. And I see the point of Senator Risa, but I'm also listening to Senator Marcoleta. It's kumbaga sa libro, iba yung love language, but I don't think they're meant to be any offense. Having said that, we're only discussing whether we will take up the amendment or not.
Yun. Doon
And
pa
we
lang
have
eh.
exhausted already all the arguments. This is a simple motion, so I move that we divide the House. May reiterate my motion. Then we can go into the merits and they can try to convince us whether or not we agree. So the motion is to take up the amendment to our rules as proposed by Senator Marcoleta. The objection is that it is not in order because we did not follow our own rules.
Madam Chair, Madam President,
Before that,
Madam President,
yes, we recognize Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Madam President, my question is, why
Yan na,
is
si
the
Erwin.
majority in such a hurry to tackle this motion? This allowing a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference Whereas in Rule 14, Section 41, under B, it says convene and hold a session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology system due to force majeure, Madam President, or the occurrence of a national emergency. I guess, Madam President, this justifiable reason, what is that? Does that fall under force majeure?
Yan na, dyan sila
Or does
mag-walkout
it fall under national emergency, Madam President? My question
Madam
is,
Chair.
why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted, the Section 41C, para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President. That is
Yun,
my question,
huling-huli sa
Madam
bibig.
Madam Chair.
Alam na alam kagad nila yung plano, di ba? Huling-huli si Erwin, Diyos ko. Oh, bawas ang bilang pagka nangyari yon. Kaya kayo, ide-delay nyo ngayon. Di ba? Kaya kayo nag-walk out siguro. Kaya kayo nagdadrama dyan para ma-delay ninyo. Kasi alam nyo din, o baka may contact nga kayo sa taas, according kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada, na alam nyo merong makukulong para bawas ang bilang. O, sa majority yan eh. Walang iba yan kundi si Joel Pangilinan at saka Joel Villanueva at saka si Jinggoy Estrada. Alam nyo naman eh. I'm sure naman eh. Di ba? Huwag nyo namang sabihin wala kayong GC. May GC kayo.
The
Recognize
gentleman
Senator-
is out
Senate
of
President.
order because his question sa nagmamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take
Kaya
it
na,
up.
magwo-walk out na
We
yan eh.
take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the
Yes.
hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control, mababanggit ka rin. You do not
Ayun,
make
oh.
that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule hindi minadali. May
Nag-walk out.
11 pa ho yun. So Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done via Viva Voce.
Madam President,
Minority Leader.
I move to adjourn or a quorum call.
Di ba? May naiiwan na isa eh.
That is a higher precedence, Madam President.
So I only see the Minority Leader representing the minority. The others had left.
Madam Chair, we will not object, but for the record,
Yes.
they scampered out
Yes.
and left the minority leader instead of discussing the rule. We are not even discussing the rule yet. And then, ganun
out
na
na.
yung allegation nila.
Yes.
And no one from the minority stood up to say that out of order si Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Di
So
ba?
we will not object, Madam Chair. In fact, we move that we adjourn till 5 p.m.
Madam President,
Monday.
before that,
Madam
Before we-
President,
Sorry,
motion to adjourn is
Senate
not
President.
debatable. Akala ko ba magaling sa rules?
We're not
Parliamentary
debating.
inquiry.
It's not
We're not
debatable, Madam
debating
President.
minority
Parliamentary inquiry,
Move to
Madam
adjourn.
President.
We're
I'm
not
not
debating,
debating,
Madam
and we
Chair.
will indeed adjourn.
Parliamentary inquiry.
Yes, Senator Marcoleta.
Nung pong nagsimula tayo, Madam, meron po ba tayong quorum?
We had a quorum, yes.
Yes, Madam President. Kapag ka po ba nag-walkout ang minority, nawawala po yung quorum? Nagsimula po tayong may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President, once there is a quorum call, you have to call the roll.
Nagmamarunong
Kahit
pa, di ba?
present lahat o kulang kanina o there was a motion to dispense, whatever that is.
Not
May
upon a
quorum
situation,
call.
Madam President, when
Motion
they, when they
motion to
readily
adjourn
and willingly walk out.
takes precedence.
Hindi po yung covered ng rule natin, Madam President.
Madam
sakasakali
President.
As reiterated by the Senate President and as conveyed by the Minority Leader, former Senate President, the rule states that the motion to adjourn takes precedence. I'm not taking sides.
5 p.m. Monday
And we will adjourn session
until 5
until
p.m.
5 p.m. on Monday, June 1st, 2026.
O, di ba? Nakita niya na.
June 1.
June 1 ba yun?
The birthday of Senator Lacson. So we will have cooler heads.
Okay.
Di ba? Yan ang nangyayari ngayon. Kayo naman, walk out. Para ka naman kayo mga bata. Napaka-unprofessional nyo naman. Hindi pa nga napag-uusapan di ba? Pag nag-uusapan pa lang, kung dapat pag-uusapan, doon pa lang kayo sa introduction, kayo nasa bridge na. Ang tatapang din ng mga minority, no? Tataas din ng boses, di ba? Ganyan na nangyayari ngayon. Kung gusto kasi nila, hawakan yung kapangyarihan ng majority, ang problema, iilan lang sila. So kaya ang planong gawin, I suppose, and I think, and I guess, kasuhan muna yung dalawa, which is si Joel Villanueva at saka si Jingo Estrada para bumaba yung bilang na majority. Saka ngayon sila aatake, di ba? Ganun lang yan. Utakan din di ba? Gaya nga na sinabi ko sa previous video natin, syempre kanya-kanyang grupo din yan. Kahit naman kayo, sa GC ninyo, meron kayong GC na sama-sama kayo, tapos meron kayong GC na kayo-kayo lang. Na ang pinagchichismisan nyo, yung kasama nyo sa GC ng pamarami yan. Di ba? Ganon din sa magbabarkada. Ganon din naman sa mga bilangguan. May mga kanya-kanyang fraternity. Di ba? Bahala na gang. Sige. Sputnik. O ganon din sa Senado. May iba lang tawag. Medyo maganda lang. Minority block saka majority block. Mahirap yung parang wala kang kinabibilangan. Ayun na nangyayari. Di ba? Monday. Ang susunod. Diyos ko, Santissima, ang dami na nangyayari. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Joe Malone TV, Issue ng Bayan, ating pag-usapan.